Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, September the 30th, 2022, last day of the month. We have here two solved puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes. And the binary. Yes. It's binary time. Number 5258. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should we know? A double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then. Compare. Do we need to compare? No. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Now we need to compare here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we need to compare. And which row? 10101. Yeah, this row and that row. 1100111 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. Until then, bye bye for now.